The latest rumors suggest that the Pixel foldable phone could go into production soon, but we have been fooled before. Hey, it's Jon Tech here, and today we're going to be talking about the Google Pixel Notepad. For months, overconfident leakers claimed Google planned to release a Pixel foldable phone alongside the Pixel 6 in fall 2021. Unfortunately, the Pixel launch event came and went without a foldable. The leakers promised an early 2022 release to go with Android 12L. But that too proved incorrect. Google hasn't announced its foldable phone yet, nor do we have an official name, but we have seen enough leaked information to know Google has developed several foldable prototypes and may call its foldable the Pixel Notepad. But does that mean we'll actually see a release this year? Leakers think so, but that doesn't mean it'll happen. Samsung, Huawei, Motorola all pioneered the category of foldable phones, pushing out expensive prototypes to eager consumers. But phones like the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Apple Find N changed the conversation around the foldable phones, proving they can offer a premium experience that slab-shaped phones can't. That puts more pressure on Google, which will enter the foldable market as other companies refine and master their own designs. It won't have as much leeway for failure and experimentation as Samsung did with its first attempts. So what will the Pixel Fold look like? When will it arrive? And could it have more than one design? We will answer all your questions with the leaked info we could scrounge up. We first heard of the Fold codename Passport from the leaked internal Android document, which referenced the Pixel 5a, 6 Pro, and foldable Pixel as 2021 releases. The first three phones did shape this year, while the later must have needed more time to gestate. There isn't hard info on when the Pixel Fold will launch, now that the rumors about it appearing alongside the Pixel 6 have proven false. Yet a recent Google Camera APK deep dive revealed references to the code is Pixel 2022 Foldable, which pretty clearly indicates a foldable could arrive this year. DSCC CEO Rick Young claims Google will begin its foldable production in Q3 2022, aiming for the Q4 2022 release. That suggests it will launch alongside the Pixel 7 and Pixel Watch in October 2022. Back when we thought the Pixel Fold would arrive in 2021, the rumors suggested it will have a 7.6-inch foldable display with ultra-thin glass, using the same display materials as the Galaxy Z Fold 3. But as I mentioned, Google cancelled that order and now may use a design that evokes a different foldable instead. We will also have to wait and see whether the Pixel Fold will have a built-in slot for the stylus. Google could design a new, more compact Pixelbook pen to go with its foldable. The Z Fold 4 may have a built-in stylus port, which would give a popular foldable brand another edge. Also, given the premium price, we would expect the foldable phones to have 12 GB of RAM, same as the Pixel 6 Pro and Z Fold 3, combined with a Tensor 2.0 that will put it on a par with the best Android phones, at least for speed. We'll have to wait and see how stock Android performs on foldables and how it compares to unique software developed by competitors like Samsung, which uses similar tools with One UI 4.1. In the end, that will matter more than hardware for deciding how the Fold or Notepad stacks up against the best foldable phones. So there you have it, guys. Let me know your opinion in the comment section, and before you're leaving, please hit that subscribe button, and I will see you soon.